In the last class we have discussed here exercise 1 in chapter 5. What we have discussed here, whether it is possible to have a triangle with these sides or not. So what is the condition to have a triangle? The sum of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Then only it is possible to have a triangle. That we have discussed. Now let us discuss about the altitude and the median of the triangle in this session. So here, what is the meaning of altitude? Let us see here the first. Altitude of the triangle. Okay. Altitude is nothing but the height. What is the meaning of altitude? Altitude is nothing but the height of the triangle. So, how do you find the height of the triangle? Suppose if you want to find the height of any object. Let us suppose if you want to find the height of this board. How do you find the height of this board? From the top here, from the top onwards, you will measure with the help of the measuring tape or anything to that of the base, right? So that you can find the height of this one. And suppose if you want to find the height of this chalk piece, how do you find? From this top and to that of the base, you need to measure, right? Similarly here in the triangle also, you need to take it here. Let us consider here the triangle. Name it as ABC. Similarly in the triangle also you need the same concept, right? You need to find the height from the top to that of the base. So in the top, what is there here in the triangle? In the top the vertex is there. So from this vertex you need to draw it here the line to that of the base. That one will become the altitude of the triangle. So here let us see that one. This one will become the altitude of the triangle. So here you can observe that you can draw so many altitudes here. That means, right, so many lines we can draw it here. Can we say all these are heights? We cannot say, right? What is the meaning of the altitude of the triangle? You need to take the perpendicular line from the vertex to that of the base. That one will become the altitude of the triangle. So this one. So you can observe that here the angle is not 90 degrees and similarly here the angle is not 90 degrees. Where the angle is 90 degrees, here the angle is 90 degrees. So you need to consider this as the altitude. So what is the meaning of altitude? The perpendicular line that is drawn from the vertex to that of the base, that one we call it as an altitude of the triangle. So let us see here what I am seeing here. You need to draw here the perpendicular line. What is the meaning of perpendicular line? The angle should be here 90 degrees. So from where you need to draw? From the vertex. So let us draw here from the vertex to the base here 90 degrees. This AX will become the altitude of this triangle. So that one. So what is the meaning of altitude of a triangle? That line that is joining from the vertex to that of the base, that line should be the perpendicular line. That one will call it as an altitude of the triangle. So here, will altitude will always lies in the same in the triangle itself? Let us see that one. So what I am saying here, if you draw a perpendicular line from the vertex to that of the base. Let us consider here in this triangle BC as the base. If you consider BC as the base, you can draw the perpendicular from here. Right? So that we got it here one altitude which is AX. Now let us consider AC as the base. If AC as the base, again from this point you need to draw here the perpendicular line to that of the base. So let us draw that one. And now suppose if I am considering AB as the base, you need to draw the perpendicular from this vertex. So again draw here from this vertex. So from this what we can conclude here, in a triangle, maximum observe that in this triangle, all the altitudes are lying interior of the triangle. That because all the altitudes you can observe here, Ax, By and Cz, all are lying inside the triangle. Now if you consider this case, suppose if I want to draw here from this vertex, suppose I am considering here BC as the base, and so where I have to draw the altitude here from A, I need to draw the perpendicular line to that of the base. Is it possible? Can I draw here the perpendicular line to the base? Let us draw here. If I am drawing here like this, you can observe that this is not a perpendicular line, right? So how to draw the perpendicular line from this base? If you consider the obtuse angle triangle, this is very important. If you draw the altitude of a obtuse angle triangle, you need to extend the base. So here you need to extend this base so that here you can draw here the perpendicular line to that of this one. This one will become the altitude. Let us name this as x. Understood? Since here in an obtuse angle triangle, if you draw the altitude here, it will not be 90 degrees. For that reason, what we are doing here, we are extending the base such that we are drawing the altitude of this triangle. So this is about the altitude of the obtuse angle triangle. So here they will ask, will always altitude lie inside the triangle? No. Altitude may lie outside the triangle. Altitude may lie inside the triangle. If you are considering the acute angle triangle, the altitude is always lies inside the triangle. And if you are considering the obtuse angle triangle, the altitude may lie outside or inside the triangle. Now, if you are considering the right angle triangle, there is no need to draw here the altitude because here the side itself is nothing but the altitude, right? Because here this is 90 degrees. So in the right angle triangle, this AC is the altitude of the triangle, and similarly BC is also the altitude of the triangle. This is about the altitude of the triangle in different cases. So what is the meaning of altitude? A perpendicular line that is drawn from the vertex to that of the opposite base, that one we call it as an altitude. So let us write the definition of this altitude. What is altitude? If a perpendicular line is drawn from the vertex to that of the opposite base, of the triangle is called the altitude of the triangle. So here the altitude may lie inside or the outside the triangle. This is about the altitude of the triangle. So let us draw here one triangle A, B, C. This AX will become the altitude. You can draw here, if you take AC as a base, you can draw here this point will become the midpoint. So here you need to draw from the vertex to the top of the midpoint of the base. Right? So if you are drawing a line segment from the vertex to the top of the midpoint of the base, that one will become the median of the triangle. So this one will become the median of the triangle. And if you suppose this is the midpoint, and if you join this one will become the median, and again here this one will become the median. And I am drawing here some triangle. Suppose I want to draw the median of this triangle. How we can draw here the median? Now take the midpoint of the side BC. Here let us suppose this is the midpoint of the side BC. Midpoint is nothing but the middle point. So here what is the median? You need to draw the line segment from the opposite vertex to the midpoint of the base. So this one will become the median.